everybody, Caterina here. Welcome to my home. Well, my home is Christmas, and I'm so happy to be able to say that today I have my beautiful parents coming for lunch. I thank God every time I'm able to say those words. And as an appetizer, I'm going to be preparing cheese-filled squid. So simple to make and delicious. Now let's get started. I'm going to place a couple tablespoons of olive oil. I have one chopped sweet onion here, and I'm going to saute it. To the sweet onion, I added 3 garlic cloves. I just want the essence of the garlic. Before I finish with the onions, I will remove them. Okay, I'm just adding some sea salt. Okay, this is ready. I'm just going to let it cool down. Okay, now we're going to start preparing the cheese stuffing. I have 1 cup of dried ricotta. I took it out about 4 hours ago, and I just allowed it to dry. 1 cup of feta cheese, a cup of Parmigiano Reggiano, okay, 1 egg, but I'm going to scramble it first. Okay, I'm going to add the egg. This is what's going to bind everything together. Add half a cup of fresh dill, a cup of fresh mint, the zest of 1 lemon, a teaspoon of red peppercorns. I purchased this in Sicily. 2 tablespoons of breadcrumbs for now, and I'm just going to give it a nice mix. I'm going to add the sauteed sweet onion. I removed the garlic. Okay, I have 6 large squid. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to start stuffing them. Okay, so my first one is stuffed. I placed a toothpick through the top. This way the cheese won't come running through. I'm just placing a couple tablespoons of olive oil in my grill pan. Okay, I'm just going to fry them 5 minutes on each side because they're large. Okay, so I turned them around, and now it's going to be 5 minutes on the other side. My first batch of cheese-filled squid is ready. I think my parents are going to love it. Let's wait and see. And I want to thank you so much for joining me today. It's Caterina from my home to yours. I want to wish you all a very Merry Christmas. Okay, so I made cheese-filled squid for my beautiful parents for lunch. Apa, che pensi di sto bello squid? Che pensi?
It's beautiful.
Beautiful. Do you like it?
Yeah.
You think my subscribers should make it, Pa? You think so? Ama, what do you think? Ma, com'è? Buona?
I just tasted beautiful.
Beautiful?
So tasty.
So good. You think my subscribers should make it, Ma? You think so? Delicious?
Yeah, very delicious.
Very delicious? Oh, Appa, is it very delicious?
Good.
Okay, enjoy. Love you guys. Don't forget to hit your like button, and if you haven't already done so, subscribe to my channel. Ciao.